Hey, Algebra kids, thanks for hanging in there. We just have a little bit more to go on this lesson. Let's continue with the second example here where we have a parabola that is a frowny face. And it looks here that we have a maximum. And our maximum vertex is 2, 5, which means our maximum is 5. So it's as simple as that. You have to find either your low point if it's a smiley face or a high point if it's a frowny face, and determine the y value to find your min or your max. Now, this is important. We talked about this a little bit when we were doing functions. We talked about domain and range. Unless we're telling you otherwise, or for example, if it's a real world example, your domain is going to be all real numbers. It's an infinite set of numbers for your domain. So your x values go from negative infinity to positive infinity. Your y values are going to be different. The range only goes from your min or your max and then up to infinity in the positive direction or to infinity in the negative direction, depending on what you have. So this particular range is everything greater than 1. See, your y value is 1, your minimum value. So anything greater than 1 or equal to 1 is going to be your range. So your x is all real numbers, and your range is y is greater than 1. Let's look at this one here. Again, your x's are going in all different directions, forever and ever, amen. Your y's, though, start at a maximum number of -3 and then goes on to negative infinity, which means that it's everything less than or equal to -3. Okay, if I said y is 2, is that part of it? That would be up here. That is not part of our range. Whoops, didn't mean to do that. Y is not part of our range up here. Okay, but anything smaller than -3 for y is our range. So this would be our answer. Okay. Let's find the domain and range of this particular problem. We have a smiley face, which means we have a minimum. Our minimum number is -4. Our x's, we're going in from where every single x is included in this graph. But our y's go from -4 on anything bigger than -4. So our domain is x, or all real numbers, my bad, and range is y is greater than or equal to -4. That's how you write it. It's as simple as that. Okay, now for your homework, this is the homework assignment. I'm going to try and figure out how to make it so that it's easy for you to type in your information. So it might be a Google form. I'm sorry I didn't do this ahead of the recording, but I just want to make sure you have something. So whatever it is that I post for your homework, just go right onto that form. It'll have the directions for you, okay? All right. Thanks for hanging in there for this second short part of the video. And if you have any questions, as always, please reach out to me. Have a good one.